Good evening, friends. Today I want to talk about the immunity power. How we grow our immunity power, how we protect ourselves from the virus attack like coronavirus, how can we survive happy life on this earth. There are so many questions like this arise in our mind, not only arise but also needful for all of us. As we talk about the immunity, it is just like the energy which we contain in our body, but how it grow, how it be sufficient for survival of happy and prosperous life, it is the bigger questions. Nowadays most of us are suffering from irritation, anger, greed, and so many these types of problems. That is why we all are getting minimize our immunity power. That's why we often become the prey of different kinds of diseases, as well as we receive very easily the effect of coronavirus. We are not in a state to face boldly these types of problem which occur before us in everyday life. People say that one has to take good food, one has to sit with the gentleman or very rich person, one has to go to religious places to improve the immunity or to grow the unity. But these types of sources are not possible, not available for all of us, because different kinds of the peoples belonging to different financial stage live in our society. For example, if we take a rickshaw puller, a beggars whose societies are very poor, they cannot afford to go to religious places. They are also not having facility to live in financially rich people society. So today I want to give you the sources with which people from all different kinds of the group, either financially or backward, forward, or upward or backward, all these different groups of people can improve their immunity very easily. We should feel the existence of God in our surrounding. As we talk about the God, because God is called by different name by different people. Some people call Allah, some people call Bhagwan, Isha, and many more Ishwar, and many more word that one is used for the God. But as you know about this word, God is a form of energy. It cannot be seen with our naked eye, but it exists each and every particles. Even in non-living bodies also, that kinds of energy exist. We need to feel it. If you want to break the simple things, we have to apply energy. And we also feel the energy which oppose our energy. We should think that from where that energy exists in that body. Simple, it is the grace of God. The simple form of energy in form of the God exists in that particles. If we think that God exists in our surrounding, we should be careful. We should take care of our activities which we do oftenly. Most of the activities which we do belonging to our routine work, but a very kind of activities which occur accidentally, immediately before us. To do that, to face that kinds of challenges, we begin to think hastily. We want to fulfill that, we want to solve that problem anyhow, instantly. In doing so, we often do mistake, but we must not do it. On the other hand, if we feel the existence of God, we should think well, we should do well. we should also, yes, we should be happy, we should be content with what we have, and we should also know that we are not alone. God is always with us. It always cooperates us in our work. It cannot make me alone. You cannot leave me alone. His cooperation in different form always with us. So we are alive. We can see, we can walk, we can talk, and we can also fight with the foreign invader like corona and some other viruses or different diseases. We should also know the mortality of human being, and we should improve ourselves by doing well, thinking well. We must not waste our energy in useless work like playing online game, flattering, telling lie, cheating, misguiding others, because all are created by God. So if we tell a lie or cheat others, it means in direct or indirect way we are cheating the God. If we improve our activities on the base of that thoughts, definitely the immune system in our body will grow, improve, and it will grow in upward. We feel stronger and stronger at every moment. We can be satisfied. We will be having deep self-confidence, which is the most needful things nowadays. Due to the lack of deep confidence, we often meet with the failures. We become angry, we become irritated, and this main cause is not depend on our food as well as the rich society. This depend on कि we are not believing in God. We are not believing in God means we are not believing in ourselves. That is why what we want to do, and if we remain failure in doing so, we become irritated, we become angry. Not only this, but we begin to lose our immunity power. If you think कि you can take some advantage of my thoughts, what I am telling now, then please hear constantly and subscribe my channel by pushing the bell. In next video, I shall talk about the atoms, molecules, how they combine to form the compound which form is useful, useless, and how you can take advantage from that compounds, and how can we know more and more about the compounds. Okay, thank you.